Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the English online classes. This is Emma Parna, your English teacher. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson from the active grammar book, that is lesson number 5, pronouns. So let's start. Today we will learn about pronouns. What are pronouns? Let's learn with the help of some examples. My name is Daniel. I have a car. Here, the person we are talking about is Daniel. But there are two more words that refer to Daniel. My, I. So, my name is Daniel. Here, my refers to Daniel. I have a car. Here, I also refers to Daniel. So, we can say here Daniel is a noun and my and I, which are used in the place of Daniel, are known as pronouns. Okay, children, now come to the next picture. Birds are sitting on a tree. They are blue in color. So what is blue in color? What does they refer to? Here they refer to the birds. It means they is used in place of the naming word birds. So they is a pronoun. So here birds are noun and they is a pronoun. So let us take a look at the various pronouns we have. Some pronouns are used only for masculine naming words. Children, masculine means it's a male gender. Okay? And some of the pronouns used for only masculine naming words are he, his, himself, him. For example, he is Mr. Arvind. He is an engineer. Here, in place of Mr. Arvind, he is used. So, he is a pronoun, and as we know, Mr. Arvind is a name of a male person or a masculine gender. So, he is used for the masculine naming words. Okay? Now, let us see the next example. The next pronoun. Some pronouns are used for only feminine naming words. It means for the female gender. Okay? The sum of the pronouns that are used only for the feminine naming words are she, her, herself. For example, this is Neha. She is a singer. So, here Neha is a girl. And in the second sentence, in place of Neha, she is used. So, she is a pronoun used for the feminine naming words. Okay. Now come to the next page. Children, there are some pronouns that can be used for any of the genders. That are I, me, whose, they, them, you, and we also. Okay? Once again I am repeating. I, me, whose, they, them, you, and we. So, these are the pronouns that can be used for any of the genders, for the masculine one and the feminine one. Okay? Let us see some example. For example, I am Tina. I am a girl. You can use the same sentence for the boy also. If here in place of Tina, Ram is there, suppose, then the sentence will be same. I am Ram, I am a boy. Okay? Next example. This is a crow. It is black. So, now come to the next one, that is some pronouns are only used for singular naming words. Children, you have already learned about singular naming word. Singular means only one in number. Okay? And plural means more than one. You have already learned in lesson number 4. So, what are the pronouns that are used for the singular naming words? Let us see. It, he, she, him, her. So, these are the pronouns that are only used for the singular naming word. Okay? Let us have some examples related to singular naming word. As I already told you, here I am a Tina. So here only one girl is there. Therefore, we have used I. Suppose there are two girls, then we will use we. Okay? Here also, he is used because in the second example, you can see he is used because Arvind is only one. Only one person is there. If there are more than one, then we will use they. Okay? In the same way, Neha. If there are two girls, then also we will use they, we, etc. Okay? Now come to next one. Some pronouns can only be used to refer plural naming words. Children, what do you mean by plural naming words? Plural means more than one. Okay, as you can see here in the picture, more than one people are there. Yes or no? So let us see what are the pronouns used for the plural naming words. They are they, we, them, those, and these. Once again I am repeating: they, we, them, those, and these. Look on some of the examples related to it. Arun and I are 6 years old. We are in class 1. As you can see in the picture, there are two members, means Arun and another one is one girl. So, how many persons are there in number? There are two. Therefore, we have used here we. So, we is used for more than one. In the same manner, you can see Madhu and Rana are good friends. So, here one is Madhu and the second one is Rana. So, therefore, here also there are two persons. So, we have used they. So, we can say that they is used for plural naming words. Okay. Let us have a look on one more example. They are playing cricket. Here the word they is used because there are more than one person. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 members. Therefore, we have used they. Okay. So children, let's start our lesson. Lesson number 5, words used in place of nouns, pronouns. So look at the picture and read the sentences. Children, here some examples are given that I already explained you. I am Tina, I am a girl. So here one person is there and he is explaining about herself. So we have used the word I. He is Arvind and he is an engineer. As Arvind is a masculine naming word, therefore here he is used in place of Arvind. In the same way, this is Neha and she is a singer. Since Neha is a name of a feminine naming word, therefore she is used in place of Neha. In the same way, this is a crow, it is black. Arun and I are 6 years old. We are in class 1. So in place of Arun and I, total there are 2 members, therefore we is used. This is a plural naming word, plural form of pronoun. Okay. Now the last one, Madhu and Rana. Here Madhu and Rana are 2 in number. So it is a plural form of pronoun. So they is used in place of Madhu and Rana. So children, what we have learned? We have learned that words like I, me, him, she, her, we us, they, them, you, and it are used in place of naming words or nouns. So, the words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Once again, I am repeating, the words used in place of nouns are called pronouns.